Let's do negative numbers. We are going to work with some of the word problems involving negative numbers. So let's do exercise 1.10. The highest temperature ever recorded was in Libya. It was 58 degrees. The lowest temperature ever recorded was negative 88 in Antarctica. What is the temperature difference? So when we find a difference, we do a subtraction. And how are we going to do the subtraction? In here, we use the big number to minus the small number. So the big number here is 58. So we are going to use 58 degrees Celsius minus negative 88. So negative becomes positive. So you're going to do addition with 88, which will give you 146 degrees Celsius. Let's look at question 2. My bank account shows a credit balance of $105. Describe my balance as a positive or negative number after each of these transactions were made in sequence. So when you pay a rent, you are going to subtract. Your money is going to become lesser. So you are going to do a minus. So 105 minus 140, you'll get a negative 35. For B, car insurance. You pay for insurance, you will have less money. So it's going to be a subtraction again. Remember your negative. Negative 35 minus 283. So you're going to do, you're actually adding 35 with 283 and becoming a negative number. So it's negative 318 with the dollar sign. And for C, when you get your 1 week salary, your money increase. So you're going to addition. Remember the negative 318 plus 230. So that will give you, you're actually doing 318 minus 230 with the negative sign, 88. And for D, you pay for the food bill, your money will decrease, so you're going to do a subtraction. Negative 88 minus 72, and that gives you a negative 160. And for E, credit transfer, you're going to get more money, your money will increase. So 160 plus 250, and that gives you 90. Alright, let's look at question 3. The roof of an apartment block is 130 meters above ground level. So this is the ground level. So it is 130 meters above. This is the roof. And the car park beneath the apartment is 35 meters below ground level. So below, that's 35 meters below, and this will be the car park. How high is the roof above the floor of the car park? So you're going to find the car park, which will be from the roof to the car park, and it will be here. So you're actually adding there are two ways to do this. Question 3. Let me use my pen. You're actually adding 130 meters plus 35 meters, and you will get 165. Or you can also do a subtraction because it's below, let's say ground is 0. So this is actually negative 35. So you can do, or 130 minus negative 35, and you're going to get the same answer. Okay. Now, question 4. A submarine is at the depth of 165. If the ocean floor is 860, how far is the submarine from the ocean floor? Okay. So it means that, let me erase this. It means that a submarine, this is a submarine, it is at a depth of 165 meter. It is 165 meter deep from the surface of the water. It goes down deep. If the ocean floor, the floor of the ocean, this is the ocean floor. So the ocean floor is 860 meter from the surface. How far is the submarine from the ocean floor? So this is what you're going to find. So how are you going to find it? You're going to do 860 minus 165, which will give you 695 meter. So this is the answer. So today we will just discuss on these 4 word problems.